Okay, dear students of class 9th, today we have done the exercises on page 17, the book exercises. So, it is a summary of the whole lecture that I have already delivered. Now I am making a summary of it. I'll summarize this whole exercise. The first one, look at page 17. Choose the correct answer for the following. Now, have a look at this first sentence. His sublime poetry and philosophy inspired millions of Muslims. Now, the opposite of the word sublime in this sentence means. Now, first you need to understand what is the meaning of sublime. Sublime means very high ranked, very noble. So just have a look at the options for this one. Option A, beautiful. Option B, inspiring. Option C, uplifting. And option D, irrational. Now if you look at all these options, irrational is the one which is completely different to sublime. Irrational means illogical, without purpose. So this is the correct option. So the correct option for this one is D, irrational. Irrational is the opposite of sublime. Sentence number 2. Whether he is in the battlefield or in the company of friend, he is pure in head and heart. Now have a look at this sentence, that whom Iqbal is referring to. In this sentence, he refers to. In this sentence, Iqbal is referring to option A, the youth, option B, Iqbal, option C, Shaheen, or option D, the author. Now, he actually refers to the youth because Allama Iqbal was of the opinion that youth is the symbol of bravery and symbol of courage of a nation. So that's why the youth of Iqbal is pure in head and heart, whether he is in battlefield or whether he is in the company of his friends. So option A is the correct one. Come to sentence number 3. Know thyself and success shall be thine. Means that, now if you look at this sentence, thyself and thine, these are the two words which were being used in Old English, and the meaning of this is you. Both these words were used for you. In the equivalent of this, both these words is in modern English is you. So look at the options. Option A, your desire to know who others are and what they want is the real success in life. Option B, your desire to know your nation and what they want is the real success in life. Option C, your desire to know who you are and what you want is the real success in life. Option D, your desire to know the worldly needs and to achieve them is the real success in life. So, as I told you, that thyself and thine are used for you. So, the correct option is option C, your desire to know who you are and what you want is the real success in life. Because if you know thyself, yourself, then only you can achieve high things and success in your life. Come to sentence number 4. The youth of Iqbal is not a thinking Hamlet, but a man of action. Now this one, the Hamlet actually is a character which was created by William Shakespeare. And by this name he wrote a drama, the name of which was Hamlet. And the character of Hamlet was actually a very lazy and laid down kind of a person who took too much long for decisions. So look at the options. Option A is taking prompt action. Option B is talking too much. Option C is taking quick decision. Or option D is taking too much time in making decision. Now, as I told you, that this character of Shakespeare was a person who used to take too much long time to decide about his life, and that was the drawback of his character, that because of which he suffered at the end of the story Hamlet. So the correct option for this sentence is taking too much time in making decision. That was the reason that this character suffered, and the youth of Iqbal is actually the opposite of it. He is opposite of Hamlet. The youth of Iqbal takes no longer than a very quick decision. They make a very quick decision, and they are men of action. The last part of today's lecture was use the following words in sentences of your own. There are 8 words: nation, battlefield, determination, symbol, motive, confined, direction, goals. We have done this exercise with the help of students who made good sentences of their own and took active part in this exercise, and I hope that they will take positive part again in the lecture, again in these kind of exercises. So hope this is enough for today. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.